Guys, I'm showing you this monitor stand dual monitor riser with the USB ports. It's a long desk riser for the two monitors. Wood desktop, shelf computer holder, stand with the storage. So it's also a TV stand riser with the power outlets and the desk organizer for the laptop or printer. So I'm just unboxing, taking out all the material so you can see. So all the parts are included. The manual is descriptive, and this also have all the screws and things. Everything is marked, so it's pretty straightforward to install. So this is a manual that describe the whole process of installation, and you can see like this is the outlet box that comes with it. And the screws and things. So we will just assemble this product. The tools and everything is provided. We can start assembling this product and see. So as everything is marked, I will just include everything here and just show the assembly process. So this is the all wood. So the middle one is the brown wood, the side ones are the black wood. So it's a nice design, like the complex or contrast design. So that looks really nice. So let's assemble it and see. So you can use it for the TV, for the monitors, printer, laptop, or anything you want to use. So once all the screws and everything is done, we put the power outlet. So once this is fixed, you see the two screws that put inside, and then just use this one to put in the power outlet, and this is almost assembled. So straightforward assembly. And yeah, just I will show you as well like the setup. So this is the whole assembly. You can see the whole product here with the power outlets, three USB, two outlets, and this is on the desk, like on the table. I'm putting one monitor, some books for storage, the outlets and everything. So it's pretty nice, very stable, really a good nice space, and save the space as well.